Hello my dear visitors and subscribers, nice to meet you here again at Crazy Engines channel. Today we continue our investigation of the OS FT120 Gemini early production version. If you remember from the previous video, there was a problem with the right cylinder, a small problem, but it runs too rich in comparison with the left. And that's I can't adjust the engine to get the stable non-pulsing idle speed. So thank you once again for your suggestions. I decided to dismantle the carb from the engine, to clean it and to reset it back. One more important, that I turn the carb from the left side to the right side. So it means the high-speed needle is right now is on the right part of the engine. So, and that was also very interesting experiment, and let's watch the whole story. Thank you. Here I decide to install the much bigger, the oversized probe. It's the 20 by 8 by Master Air screw. just to investigate how the increased flywheel moment will affect the stable, low idle performance of the engine. Thank you for watching. So, my dear viewers and subscribers, as you can see, the trick with the cleaning and the rotating of the turning the carb from right side to the left side brings a few advantages, and so engine runs much more stable, more predictable. That's I really like. Additionally, right now after the turning the carb, left cylinder start to work richer and that's the temperature becomes lower than on the right cylinder, so overreach fuel mix cooling down the left cylinder. I think probably that could be a reason why the next modification or next generation on the Gemini 2 OS decide to change the two needle carb to the simple air bleed carb. But this will we will investigate in the next videos. And right now, thank you again for watching. See you very soon at Crazy Engine. Have a nice and pleasant day. Thank you. Bye.